Apple iPhone SE series has been favorite to a vast majority of people for its compact design. The fourth generation of iPhone SE is rumored to launch in the spring of 2025, yet the internet is full of leaks and rumors. Recently, Apple introduced Apple Intelligence with iOS 18 at its WWDC 2024 developer conference event. According to some leaks, the iPhone SE 4 may include AI features and an AI photography mode. The phone may also come with iOS 18, which includes Apple Intelligence, a feature that uses Apple Silicon to understand and create images and language, and to simplify tasks. Apple Intelligence combines the power of generative models with personal context to deliver intelligence that's incredibly useful and relevant. Apple Intelligence is deeply integrated into iOS 18. Some of the biggest AI features from Apple Intelligence include improved photo editing, like object removal, with AI in Photos, greater Siri control over apps and actions, including asking Siri to find emails or edit photos, AI generation of custom emojis based on text prompts, generating quick summaries of notes, text messaging threads, emails, and other texts, automatically suggesting responses for emails and messages, an improved mail app that can categorize emails and generate messages, automatic transcription of voice memos. Apple Intelligence and iOS 18 is the biggest reason why the iPhone SE 4 launch was pushed to 2025. As for the features, the fourth generation of iPhone SE may have a 48-megapixel main lens with an IMX503 sensor and support for features like Deep Fusion, Smart HDR, and Portrait mode. However, it may not have a night mode. The phone may have a 6.1-inch LTPS OLED screen, replacing the LCD display. The phone may have a 3,279 mAh battery, similar to the iPhone 14. Other features may also include Face ID instead of Home button, Apple's 5G modem chip, an action button, and a USB Type-C port for charging. The device is rumored to house A16 Bionic chipset to make it even more powerful. In conclusion, the fourth-generation iPhone SE could end up becoming one of the most exciting iPhone updates in years. If the leaks, rumors, and reports turn out to be accurate, Apple's budget iPhone may be set to take a big leap forward in terms of design, functionality, and screen size. So what do you guys think of this latest development? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.